Alright, assholes. Here's the new truck. I'm gonna lock it and get the first key over. I had to go get a new key. Okay, so I gotta go backwards with it. Pretty clean. Southern Pennsylvania. As you can see, all the gauges work. Start up first kick. Interior is actually in pretty good seat shape. Yeah. Full bed liner. Don't have to do something about that back window. Don't have to put a hick rack up. Nice class 5 Reese hitch. And it's got both plug-ins. 6.2 liter. Tires in pretty good shape. He said they were kind of iffy. I got about a third tread left. Good enough for me and my big ass to get around. And it's undercoated. It still has factory paint. Oh, there's a little bit of pinky, but that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. What do you expect for a 10-year-old fucking truck from the north? Definitely work. Later.